The worldwide high-quality demands in cleaning requires a complete documentation, the reduction of resources, and a simple control of costs. Weidner offers a manufacturer-independent protocol database with an optional ERP module. The complete paperless registration for the cleaning can be done online or at the registration terminal of the cleaning station. Through the personal login area, the self-learning Weidner protocol database recognizes repeating entries, and therefore the time of future logins will be reduced. After entering and checking all required data, the customer receives the order QR code. The order is automatically forwarded to the cleaning station and stored for further processing. The digital registration for cleaning reduces the required time everywhere to a minimum. The registration at the terminal of the cleaning station is done by the order QR code. After checking the entered data, the order is confirmed with a signature. The confirmed order is thereby automatically transferred to the cleaning bay. The cleaning staff logs into the cleaning bay via an identification QR code at the operating terminal. Afterwards, the cleaning order is selected and the automated cleaning process is started. This cleaning process is visualized in real time and saved in the current job. When the cleaning is completed, the order is forwarded by the cleaning staff. Additional services and individual customer texts can always be added to the cleaning order. These are automatically transferred to the cleaning certificate. The cleaning parameters are displayed graphically and help for the final inspection. When the cleaning order is completed, the documentation, invoice, and cleaning certificate are automatically sent to the customer by email. The modular system can be integrated into existing infrastructures through various interfaces. For more than 100 years, Weidner stands for quality, durability, reliability, innovation, know-how. Weidner. Quality meets technology.